The trillionaire life of Barron Trump. Imagine a life of unimaginable wealth, where the only limits are the bounds of imagination. Barron Trump, the youngest son of former President Donald Trump and First Lady Melania Trump, lives a life that most people could only dream of. Born into a family with a towering fortune, Barron's existence is a blend of luxury, privilege, and opportunities that extend far beyond the average experience. But what does it mean to grow up in such opulence? How does a trillionaire lifestyle shape a person's world? Early life and background. Barron William Trump was born on March 20, 2006 in New York City. As the only child of Donald and Melania Trump, Barron entered the world amidst a whirlwind of media attention and significant wealth. His early years were marked by an extraordinary lifestyle, reflecting the immense wealth and high status of his parents. From a young age, Barron was accustomed to the luxuries of Trump Tower, a symbol of his family's prosperity, and the sprawling Mar-a-Lago estate in Florida. His upbringing was nothing short of extravagant, with private jets, lavish vacations, and a lifestyle that many could only dream of. Education and extracurricular activities. Barron Trump's education has always been a focal point of his family's emphasis on excellence. He attended the prestigious Columbia Grammar and Preparatory School in New York City, known for its rigorous academic standards and elite clientele. The school provided Barron with a solid educational foundation, catering to the needs of high-profile families and ensuring privacy and security for its students. This institution not only offered a high-quality education but also access to a network of influential peers and mentors. Beyond academics, Barron's parents prioritized a well-rounded upbringing, involving him in various extracurricular activities. From sports to arts, Barron had the opportunity to explore a range of interests. He was known to have a keen interest in soccer, which his parents supported by enrolling him in top-notch training programs and attending games. This exposure to diverse activities helped Barron develop a well-rounded personality and fostered skills that are valuable in both personal and professional spheres. Living spaces and luxury. Barron's living spaces are a testament to the unparalleled wealth of his family. The Trump Tower penthouse, where Barron spent his early years, is a grand residence that spans multiple floors and features opulent interiors designed by renowned architects. The sheer scale of the apartment, combined with its luxurious furnishings and cutting-edge amenities, reflects the height of luxury living. This home not only provided Barron with comfort, but also served as a symbol of his family's success. In addition to the Trump Tower penthouse, Barron has access to the Mar-a-Lago estate in Palm Beach, Florida. This expansive property includes a private club, golf courses, and lavish grounds that offer a retreat from the hustle and bustle of New York City. The estate is known for its grandeur, with meticulously landscaped gardens and a historic mansion that exudes elegance. For Barron, Mar-a-Lago represents a different kind of luxury, where he can enjoy leisure activities and family time in a more relaxed setting. Travel and experiences. Traveling is an integral part of Barron Trump's lifestyle, reflecting the global reach of his family's business and personal interests. From private jets to luxury yachts, Barron experiences travel on an entirely different level. His trips often involve exclusive destinations, where he enjoys the finest accommodations and experiences tailored to his family's preferences. Whether it's a winter getaway in Aspen or a summer vacation in Europe, Barron's travel experiences are curated to offer both comfort and excitement. The scope of Barron's travel extends beyond typical vacations. His family's international business dealings and social engagements often take them to various parts of the world, exposing Barron to different cultures and perspectives. These experiences not only enrich his understanding of the world, but also provide him with a unique vantage point on global affairs. The exposure to diverse environments helps shape his worldview and contributes to his growth as an individual. Social life and public image. Growing up in the spotlight comes with its own set of challenges, and Barron Trump's social life is no exception. The media attention surrounding his family often extends to him, making it difficult to lead a normal life. Despite this, Barron has managed to navigate the complexities of public scrutiny with a degree of privacy and composure. His parents have been protective of his personal life, ensuring that he has space to grow and develop away from the public eye. Barron's social interactions are influenced by his family's status and connections. He has access to a network of influential individuals and is often seen attending high-profile events and gatherings. Despite the advantages, Barron's social life is carefully managed to provide him with a sense of normalcy. Cultural and social exposure. Growing up in a family with international ties, Barron Trump has had access to a rich tapestry of cultural and social experiences. His family's global business ventures and social engagements expose him to diverse cultures and environments, which contribute to a broader worldview. This exposure is not only about experiencing luxury, but also about understanding and appreciating different ways of life. Barron's travels and interactions with people from various backgrounds offer valuable lessons in cultural sensitivity and global awareness. Whether attending international events or participating in cultural exchanges, these experiences help him develop a more nuanced understanding of the world. The blend of luxury and cultural richness in his upbringing shapes his perspective, preparing him for future endeavors that may involve global interactions and international diplomacy. Influence of family legacy. The Trump family legacy is a significant factor in shaping Barron's future. With a lineage marked by business acumen, political influence, and public prominence, Barron is often seen as a potential successor or figure in his family's ongoing narrative. The expectations that come with this legacy can be both motivating and daunting. Donald Trump's career as a businessman and president, along with Melania Trump's role as First Lady, sets a high bar for Barron. The values, successes, and challenges faced by his parents serve as a framework for his own aspirations and achievements. Balancing the weight of such a legacy with personal ambitions is a delicate process, and Barron's ability to navigate this will be crucial in defining his path. The legacy of his family provides both a platform and a set of expectations that will influence his choices and opportunities. Personal interests and hobbies. Barron Trump's personal interests and hobbies provide insight into his personality and preferences. Despite the opulence surrounding him, Barron has developed hobbies and passions that reflect his individuality. These interests offer a glimpse into his life beyond the public eye and highlight aspects of his character that may not be immediately apparent. Whether it's a love for sports, a passion for technology, or an interest in the arts, Barron's hobbies are supported by his family and integrated into his lifestyle. These interests allow him to explore his creativity and develop skills that contribute to his personal growth. Engaging in activities that he enjoys provides a sense of fulfillment and balance, helping him navigate the complexities of his high-profile life with a sense of purpose and joy. The life of Barron Trump, though still unfolding, offers a glimpse into the extraordinary world of the super-wealthy. His upbringing is marked by unparalleled luxury, access to elite institutions, and exposure to a range of experiences that shape his perspective. As he grows into adulthood, the blend of privilege and responsibility will continue to define his journey. Barron's life, with all its opulence and opportunities, serves as a testament to the unique experiences of those born into extraordinary wealth and influence. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.